Hi there, welcome to Caddy. We're thrilled to help you streamline your operations. This short video will provide you an overview of what you can expect from your onboarding journey with Caddy, ensuring a smooth and efficient start to our partnership. Your onboarding journey with us is streamlined and structured into 5 phases to help make each step easy and manageable for you. We start with the kickoff phase, then followed by the build phase, then followed by the train phase, then the test phase, and lastly, the launch phase. In the kickoff phase, you'll receive access to your shared folder and the necessary templates to get started. This initial step sets the foundation for a successful onboarding experience. During the build phase, update the templates in your shared folder. You'll find detailed instructions in our training videos, guiding you through each step to ensure accuracy and efficiency. In the train phase, access our knowledge base to watch video tutorials and familiarize yourself with Caddy. This phase is crucial for understanding the platform and maximizing its potential for your operations. The test phase involves running test scenarios to ensure there are no product or knowledge gaps as we prepare for your launch date. Lastly, the launch phase involves doing one final inventory count and uploading it into your environment. We've made the process simple and efficient, ensuring you're ready for a successful launch. If you need help at any stage, our team is just a message away. We're committed to providing support and guidance to ensure your onboarding process is seamless and stress-free. Let's get started on this exciting journey together. With Caddy, you'll experience a streamlined onboarding process that sets the stage for a productive and efficient partnership. We look forward to a successful collaboration and are excited to support your business growth. Let's make this onboarding journey a great success.